Rachel.
Together we're
Rachel Squared.
Today we are making Rice Krispies.
Yum.
I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. Okay.
Am I like you like when I want to sneeze, you want to sneeze?
So we're not actually using regular old marshmallows. We are using maple flavored because we are Canadians. We like our maple syrup.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn the oven on first. Well, not the oven. The stove on. And we're gonna, I don't know, put a lot of marshmallows in here. I don't know how many I'm putting in. As many as I want. Yeah, I'm putting as many as I want. It's a decent amount in there. Don't forget your butter. You gotta have that too. I haven't opened this up yet. Our bag's falling. Great. And we'll put some butter in here, or I like using margarine because I don't like butter. That seems to be good enough. I need more marshmallows. But no, we're just going to use the whole bag. I think I've only ever ate 2 marshmallows out of this bag. Yeet. Put some more butter in here. Keep it from burning. Yeah, it's sticky. Okay, so we'll melt these down and they'll be yeetful.
And we're also doing this at 12 at night, just like we're craving Rice Krispies, and that's why we're making the video.
So while we're waiting for this to melt down, you're going to continuously stir this while I get the Rice Krispies ready. I think it needs 6 cups.
Yeah.
The freaking hair in here. What? One.
Keep moving the bowl.
There, I'm using, I got 4 cups of Rice Krispies. I'm gonna set these aside. I'm also adding chocolate chips to it. Because why the hell not?
I think my mom has made Rice Krispies kind of wild.
Oh, set these aside. These are dark chocolate chips.
You literally could probably put anything you want in this.
Sure. Just mix these in.
We're having a eat time.
We're also going to add some food coloring because we want ours to be colorful.
Yeet!
I'm making it blue. Sorry, but I like blue. And this is technically all my ingredients. Add a couple of these in my hat. Oh, baby.
Ooh,
I'm just
that'll
gonna
be cool.
bring you guys over. Look at that. That looks so cool.
Yum.
Just-
Smurf blue.
Yeah. How you feeling, Rachel?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling so good.
She's sick. She's so sick.
Yeah.
So then why am I making you handle food? Well, you're just stirring, but...
Yes.
Doesn't that... Oh my god, that looks so awesome. Alright, you want me to stir? You're kind of burning the bottom of it.
Oh, I am.
Yeah. We're just gonna set this back over here. Here you go. I'll take over. Alright?
Ha! You're bad.
Oh, honey. Want to add a few more drops? It's kind of dwindling down. I want this really dark blue. I can smell the maple in it.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be good for now. You want to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I add vanilla to make it taste more better. Yep. Into the marshmallows.
This looks more like teal.
I know. Let's just, you know what? We're gonna add the whole blue in.
This is
Just squeeze it in there, man. It looks so cool.
oh! I got some on the oven.
Ah! Here. It's getting hot.
And we're empty.
Wow.
And I got some on me.
And the stove. I got like 3-4 marshmallows left I need to dissolve before I can take it off the heat.
Just semi take it off. I'm not too picky. It's coming.
Alright, let's add the Rice Krispies. Slowly. Wow, you gotta do more than that, man.
You said slowly.
Yeah, well, I changed my mind. You want to add some more Rice Krispies to that?
Sure.
Alright, I'll see for that. Oh, I need more.
More Rice
We need
Krispies?
more Rice Krispies. I was probably right with the 7 cups, but I only put 4 cups in. That should be good.
Oh.
I'll turn the oven off. Forgot to do that. Don't forget to do that. Alright, Rachel,
Yes.
do you want to take a paper towel and butter our pan?
Yes.
So we don't want you using your hands. And maybe do it quickly because it's almost done. Alright. Right, Rachel. I'm gonna fold it, you're gonna scoop it out.
Okay, that's fine. I don't know if this is all gonna fit in this pan, dude.
It won't. It's the biggest pan we got, though.
Oh.
Now I'm just gonna turn it. You hold it. You hold it. Yeah, careful, it's hot. Nice and stiff. Yummy, yummy.
You want to get like the excess?
Yeah, I'm getting it. It's not all out of it. Alright.
This is the aftermath.
Our pour pot. I'm gonna take a spatula that's got butter on it and pat it down.
I'm gonna let that soak.
Here, Rachel, do you want to lick the spoon?
I
No?
don't know if I want to contaminate the spoon.
Too late.
Yeah.
Unless you want some soap.
No. That'll make me even more sick.
My hand's hurting. I'm just patting it down into with our bowl. This is my recipe for blue chocolate chip Rice Krispies. Also, what I call them is fishbowl pebbles.
Oh.
Because they look like fishbowl pebbles.
Yes, I didn't know.
I like calling them. That's what I call them. My fishbowl pebble Rice Krispie squares.
And you don't have to add food coloring. You don't have to add anything.
You don't have to add anything you don't want to add to it.
Yeah, we just wanted to add that.
Well, I wanted to add it. You kind of just went along with it.
Yep. I think it's good.
Yeah. Alright, so that's our fishbowl pebble Rice Krispie squares.
Yes.
That's what I call them.
Yes.
Now, what I would do...
Is let it sit for a minute or two.
Yeah, I will put like a piece of saran wrap over it and then pop it in the fridge.
Okay.
They'll be good for tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So, I'll grab the saran wrap.
Goodness, it's so good. Oops.
Oh, shit.
I don't like saran wrap. It just doesn't like me.
I actually cut it with scissors. I don't. And just seal it up.
The question is, where are we gonna put this in our fridge? Because you know our fridge is pretty full.
Let me.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in our fridge. I'll just move some things around. Maybe.
Well, as you see, this is our fridge.
Welcome to our fridge. This banana bread can come out. Shouldn't be in the fridge.
Well, you put it in the fridge.
Did I? No, I didn't. I had it out.
Yeah. And then you moved it. I didn't put it in the fridge. I left it on the counter.
Well, take the banana bread out then. Fuck. This is our aftermath. This is lovely. Just more dishes to do.
I just did the dishes
I know.
twice. And then you're making me do more.
No, I'm not making you do them, but it'd be nice if you did. Just putting everything away.
I love being the camera dude.
Cameraman?
Cameraman. Cameraman. Dancing man. No. Sweet sugar candy man.
I got food coloring on my thumb.
Yeah, I had mine on. Sweet sugar candy.
Putting everything away. Jesus. Everywhere. I hate this cupboard. My lips. Oh man. Come on. Ah. I really hate this cupboard. Alright. Everything's put away. Alright, so that was my recipe for my fishbowl pebble Rice Krispie squares. You still feeling sick? You nasty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on our Instagram.
As Rachel does weird shit.
Yeah, there's nothing of you on there. You're always like the person who captures it.
It's hilarious.
Anyway. See you guys in the next video. Bye.